Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a new question where we need to print the reverse of an array. Okay, we are observe this input and our output very carefully. Here we are given with the input 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the reverse order? Just reverse the elements. Okay, just reverse the elements. Now the elements are 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. How it came? 50 come first, next 40, next 30, next 20, next 10. Okay, this is the way how we got this. Now observe down one also. Second example, 10, 20, 30, 40. In this 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 will come first, followed by 30, next, followed by 20, next. Just reversing the elements, just reversing the input array is the output. Okay, how to do this? For this, understand, observe this. For example, if elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, these are the elements. Here I am using the swap logic. Swap means just changing two values, interchanging two values. For this logic, how to swap two values, you can observe my video in my channel. I hope that you people know how to swap two variables. Now I am discussing based on that. See here, observe very carefully. Here, first time, what we are going to do means we are swapping the outermost two elements. Okay, outermost two elements. After that, we are going to swap next outermost two elements. Okay, next outermost two elements. After that there is only one element, so no need to swap. Okay, how to, if we swap first two elements, how it look like? 50, 10, right? After that we are swapping next outermost 40, 20, right? After that only 30, no need to swap. Even though you swap 30 with 30, you will get only 30, right? This is the output array. Okay, just by swapping the elements we got this. Similarly, observe a second example. Observe a second example. How to get this? 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. First, what we will do? We will swap outermost elements. Okay. If you swap 10 with 40, what we will get? Here we will get 40. Here we will get 10. Okay. Next. Next, we are swapping next two. How we will get? What we will get? Here 30 we will get. Here 20. Okay. Now directly we got the output array. And one thing we need to observe, see here, we are doing swapping two elements at a time, right? So that we are stopping the process by half of the array only. Okay, we are stopping the process by half of the array. Means first element will be swapped with last element, second element will be swapped by second most element, right? We are not proceeding after the half of the array. We need to observe this very carefully. Okay, now how to write the algorithm I will explain later. That I will provide the algorithm after that program. Now observe here, I think that I am solving this by taking first element. We need two, right? Two elements, two variables to store first and last. So I am naming them as I and J. Okay, I and J. After this, what we need to do? We need to swap I element, swap of array of I with array of J. Okay, we will swap array of I with array of J. Means array elements. These element will be swapped with this one, right? After that, what we need to do? We need to move I value to here and J value to here. Okay, if you observe the array values, indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the indexes of an array. What is the I value happening? I value incrementing from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, like that. Array value will be increasing. I value will be increasing, and J value 8 to 7, 7 to 6. So after swapping, what we need to do? I is equals to I plus 1. Why? Because we are going to for next iteration, right? And similarly, J value, J is equals to J minus 1, right? These are the two changes of these variables, I and J. And we know, right, exactly we need to do till half of the array. How can we do this? For example, I value here and J value here. After this part, what happens? I value will come here and J value will come here. Till here, see, till here, I value is 0, 1, 2, 3 and J value is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where I value is less than J. If I value is less than J, we need to do swapping. Okay, if for example, if I value is here and J value is here, where I value is greater than J, then we should stop the process. Okay, this is the logic, where if I value is less than J, we will continue. if I crosses j, then we will stop the process. Okay, this is the entire intuition behind how to solve this program. Now observe this algorithm. Just we will start the process, and we will read the array elements. After that we will initialize n variable. What is the n? N is nothing but size of the array. Okay, for example, consider this question where, sorry, consider this example where there are 5 elements, right? Then what is the n value? The size of the n value is 5. Okay, now indices are from 0 to n minus 1, basically in computers. Now, what is the starting time? Every time I value is starting element, right? So I is 0. What is the j value? J value is 4. If it is a 10 elements, then j value is 9. How to find that? So size of the array minus 1. So that n value is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So we got j value as 4. Okay, this is clear. While I value less than j. Initially, what is I value? 0, and j value 4. So I value 0 less than 4 is true. So we will start the algorithm. In the algorithm, what we will do? Just swap 0th element with 4th element. Okay, I am swapping 0th element with 4th element. Now we got like this. Okay, next what happens? I plus plus j minus minus. I value become 1, j value become 2. Okay, clear? Now what we will do again? Same process. While I less than j, 1 less than 2, it's true. So what we need to do? Swap them. Okay, I swapped. Now what happens? I value will become 3 and j value will become, sorry, before it is 3. Why? Because 4 minus 1, 3. Now 3, 2, it will become 2. See where I value has been crossed j value. So then we no need to swap. This is the output array. C3 will come directly here. Why? Because we haven't changed and modified it. So the output array is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I hope you understand this video. Now we will go to the coding part. I hope you can see the compiler. I am using online GDB compiler. Okay. First, I will check whether it's running fine. Yeah, it's running fine. Now we will write the code. First, as per the program, see, first start. Start is nothing but we wrote that int main and declared the header files. It's a start. Now we need to declare array, right? So I am using initializing the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this is the array, and next size n is equals to 5 elements. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to initialize 2 variables, right? I is equals to 0 and j is equals to n minus 1, right? I hope everything is clear. Now we are writing while loop. While till when we need to do? I less than j, right? Till I less than j, what we need to do? First we need to do swap. How to swap 2 variables? I hope you people already know this. I am just using a third variable to swap. Just if you don't know, you can watch a video in my channel. Just type how to swap 2 variables. There is a video. This is the logic to swap. After that, what we did? I value is equals to I plus 1. We incremented the I value and we decremented the j value, right? That's all. After that, just the array swap. We need to check whether it's performed perfect or not. So it is an array, so that I am using the loop int I equal to 0, I less than n value. So printing the array elements, print the element. See, this is the code. I hope everything is clear. As per the part of algorithm, we are just declared an array and initialized the n value and initialized I and j value. After that, while I less than j, we are doing the swapping, just the swapping part. After that, incrementing I value, decrementing j value. After that, just I am to verify the result, I am just printing the values. Okay. Now, if the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the answer is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Let us check the result. So here, if you can observe, the result is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Means our program is right. I hope I cleared all the doubts. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section. And if you really like the video, please give me a like, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a comment if you really understand that the video I got it like I understood or else something. Okay, which will motivate me for my next video. Okay, I hope I cleared all the doubts. Thank you for watching.